Hey everybody, it's me again. It's that time. I'm gonna dye my hair again. It's faded. I kind of called it. It's only been, trying to do the math in my head really quick, about 5 weeks, maybe. Well, 5 or 6 weeks, give or take. I'll put the info here. But yeah, so didn't think that would hold. So I am now going to actually use the brand I prefer, which is Pravana. So someone might have went shopping yesterday. Yeah, being a massage therapist, I can go ahead and shop there. I am not a professional, like I've said in my last video before about hair. I am not professional at all at this. I was going to school for technically esthetician, and I was going to do nails. The only reason I was doing esthetician is because I want to do lashes, but things happened, and then COVID happened, and well, it didn't happen. So, but I am a licensed massage therapist. I can get products at Cosmo Proof, but I spent lovely $97.11. I did get, I think it was 6 items, but one of them, I'll just kind of give you guys a quick so you see it. I'm going to use this for like when I'm bleaching my hair. I have a shirt I normally wear. I'm wearing a different one today, but this is my bleaching shirt. I brought it in so you guys could see, but it's holy. I've used this for so many years. AKA, you'll see paint stains all over it too. There's memories with this. This is actually technically, I believe, my stepsister's. And then I got it quite a while ago from her. Pretty much anytime like we painted a room in our house, or when we first moved into this place, my bedroom, I wanted to splatter the walls. So paint it white and then take every paint that we had and just splatter it. And I came out looking like polka dots, and it was all over my hair, face, and all that. But that's besides the point. That shirt seen better days. I wanted to get a cape, so I have that. Now, I am going in different colors, so I won't show you these 2 items yet, just because it's going to give away the color I'm going. So, but with those, I've never used this. It's by Voilà Professionals. It's Ultimate Repair Miracle Hair Rescue Treatment. But yeah, I got this. The person that worked there recommended it, especially if I'm going to be doing the shampoo and conditioner as well as a in between, so I'm not constantly redying my hair. Which what I use, I don't have to use toner or anything. Not toner. Yeah, toner. I can't think what it's called. I can't use the other portion. It goes straight out of the bottle, straight onto the hair, and you guys will see that. But I got Pravana Vivid colors, and we are going to go smoky violet. So I actually haven't done that one. I've done violet. I have not done smoky violet, so I got 2. Play it safe. If I remember, it almost takes 2 to do all of my hair. I'm not going to re-bleach it. I'm kind of just letting it grow out for now. Once I get to a certain length, I'm going to go ahead and re-bleach it. And then I'm going to do, most likely, keep darker on the bottom with lighter on top, because I've done that before. But that's all that's in my bag. But shampoo and conditioner, purple. She just said it would kind of help. Here's the other one, but it would kind of help in the in between. And then she's like, make sure you take bleach into the shower and spray it. And I'm like, you should see my shower. You should see my walls. There's colors all over it. Ignore, yes, it is yellow. It eventually will be painted, but there's a green. I'm like staring at a green dot. There's color everywhere, so I really don't care what the shower comes out looking like. So, but this video I'm going to get a little bit different. So I am using my mic so you guys can hear me at the start. But for the rest of the video, you're just going to see me kind of doing things. I'm just going to do like a speed through. I'm not going to talk or anything during the whole thing. And then I will end up jumping in the shower. Once I'm out, you'll see it wet. And then I like to let my hair air dry, just because I prefer not to use any heat. One, I don't do heat treatments, so that's kind of just my preference. I straighten my hair maybe, if lucky, like 3 or 4 times in a year. Not very often. So that's why I'm like, I'm just going to let it be, and then you're going to see how I naturally go with it. So, but yeah, stick around. Hopefully you guys enjoy this, but let's get started. So surprisingly, I only used one bottle. I do see, actually that just came right off. I'm sweating, so it's not holding on my face very well. But I'm pretty sure on my neck it's gonna stay there, but I'm gonna clean it all up. But yeah, as surprisingly, only went through one. Threw it away. I was kind of surprised. I mean, I could have saturated a little bit more, but at this point, nah, I really don't care. I just want it to look better than it did. So I think it was I always kept it in for I want to say it's 30 minutes. So it is 2 or just shy of 2 o'clock. So I'll show you 2 o'clock almost about 1:58. So 2:30. I'll jump in, wash this out. Now, the only thing I didn't say earlier that I should have kind of said. So, reason I was kind of trying to go away from this particular brand or aka any type of dyes, this really does stain your shower. It stains your body too. So, I'm going to try a few different things to see if I can try not to turn out purple when I get out of the shower. But I highly doubt that. But yeah, so that is one disadvantage if you are going to use Pravana or anything like that. It'll dye your skin. The Xmondo did not dye my skin, but it did not last. This brand in particular, I can go, I think the longest I've gone was almost like 9 months with color without dyeing or re-bleaching or anything. And it was actually really nice the way it faded out. So no complaints. Let's hopefully this goes out good. But next time you see me, it'll look the same because it's going to be wet. But I'll kind of do a quick, hey, I haven't seen it. And yes, don't judge me. This towel wrap doesn't fit, but I use it for dyeing my hair anyways. I have my normal one that's a lot bigger. I use that all the time. This one's just kind of my hair dye. Don't care if it gets ruined. Timu. It was free. So let's see what it looks like. Ooh, that's colorful. And it didn't even color the inside. So I know I said a little bit earlier that the reason I kind of veered away from Pravana is it dyes everything. My skin turned a the slightest color. And that could just be because, the lighting in here is pretty decent. I had no glasses on when I was looking, so no dye in my tub, though. For once. But I did only condition, I did not shampoo. So. There we go. Oh, I love this. Oh, this looks pretty. And like I said, I'll do another quick after it's dry video so you guys can see what it looks like. But I'm already in love with them. Besides the hair being in the brush, that's a pretty color. My hair just, yeah. I wear it in ponytails too much, so I don't allow it to let go of the hair that should be going throughout the day. Throughout the day. So, plus, I do at-home bleach jobs. So that'd be another reason. But it looks like I actually did pretty good. I have a trash bag here, by the way. I don't see any spots that I really missed. But we won't know until it is actually fully dry. So hair is dry. As you can see, it's nighttime, but hair is dry. I actually really like it. It came out really cute. So it's not, I wouldn't say it's close to the smoky violet that you would actually see online, but it was kind of expected putting it over the pink. So, but I really, really do like it. It's turned out really good. It looks really good in the sunlight as well. But I got busy after doing my hair, went and had to do a bunch of things, so I didn't get time to take any video when it was sunny out. I did take a few pictures, but it was still kind of like that wet, dryish look. I'll post them so you can kind of see there. But I like it. I think it's cute. So this is with Pravana yet again. Pravana Vivid. Okay, that's kind of funny. If I hold it just right, it looks right there. Looks like it's like two different tones, but it's not. It's kind of funny. Sorry, looking at the video part. But yeah, I have to say this actually turned out really good. We'll see how long it lasts. I'll kind of do when I go to shampoo and conditioner my hair with the purple that I showed you guys. I will do first like, okay, this is what it looks like. Do it, let it kind of dry, and then do another. So you can kind of see if it does do anything. I don't have a whole lot of or I don't want to say I don't have a whole lot of confidence in it, but at the same time, I'm like, I like this. I know that it's going to take a while to fade because it is more of a professional product that I've used before and has worked better. So, but yeah, just wanted to pop in, show you guys what it looked like. So thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment away. I am thinking about doing different colors. So if you know the Pravana line, maybe suggest colors. Be awesome. I've done a few different ones, but like Wild Orchard, Violet. I think I've done the Emerald, or not or was it Aqua? I did a greenish one. I don't remember exactly which one, but I've done a few. But let me know what you guys might want me to try to maybe do next time. But thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, my beautiful people. Bye.